Hey, what's up YouTube? Donovan the Smartphone Guy here to do a video review of the iDiskk, which is a storage solution for all of you who have iPhones that just don't have enough storage for you. So my wife happens to have that issue somewhat, a little bit. We picked up the iPhone 7 32 gig for her, and yeah, she's down to, I think, if I remember right, about 6 gig because she likes to take photos and videos like most women. And as a result, we picked up this iDiskk in order to maybe help alleviate some of that storage issues or the storage problem. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this real quick and show you exactly how this thing works, hopefully. And yeah, we'll see how this thing goes. So, and whether it's really a good solution for you. So here we go. So on one end we have the lightning port or lightning connector, and on the other end we have a USB type A to plug into a computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this thing in there, and I'm gonna take the phone off of the screen real quick so I can go ahead and type in my wife's passcode. All right, here we go. So down here you'll see an app called iDiskk Pro. So you'll need to go to the App Store and download that app. And from there, it's going to bring you in here once the iDiskk is recognized. And so we have a few options here I just want to show you. So the first one is the iDiskk, and on the iDiskk right now, all that's there is the manuals and the instructions. So you don't need to look at that. Right now, there's nothing on the app. Now this button right here, this is the camera, and what the camera allows you to do is it allows you to actually save any photos or videos directly to the actual iDiskk. So instead of saving it to the phone, it'll save it directly to the iDiskk when you have the iDiskk plugged in. Now it only works obviously when the iDiskk is plugged in, and from here we can go in and we can, I thought we could change that, maybe we can't. Okay, so we can change between the two, but right now it's set at 720p, and we'll go ahead and exit that. Okay, and then over here we have just what's on the phone, so I can go in here and select the photos that are on there, and here, whoops, I can go to edit, and now I can go into, let's see here, how do I select all? Oh, there it is, select all, and I can copy those. And now I can select them to copy them to the iDiskk if I want to move all those photos on there. Now you can also do that with music, but at the moment my wife doesn't have any music. She just uses Google Play Music for all of her music, so there's no music actually stored on the phone itself. But you can do that with also music and any files as well. So the three things that this iDiskk basically allows you to transfer is photos, videos, music, and what's the other one? Oh, and data files, so like documents and things like that. So you can move all of those things, but that's about it. You can't move apps or anything like that to the iDiskk. You can't save apps on here, plug it in, and then use the app. You can't do anything like that. iOS limits that, so those are the things that you can basically transfer to this. So from there, let's go ahead and let's get out of there. And I'm not going to move anything, but then there's these settings options. So right now we don't have anything transferring. You can play music when this is plugged in from the iDiskk, so that's kind of cool. We can back up our contacts. We can restore any contacts that are on here. So you can save some contacts. I forgot to mention that. You can save contacts here, and you can back them up. And then when you move to a new phone, you can restore them when you download it. So in here, I can change the video quality. So when I'm taking videos, I can adjust what video settings it gives me, or what video quality I want to actually save all the videos that I use through this camera app. And yeah, so that pretty much covers everything. We can encrypt it, so that's really nice. So you don't have to worry about any of that information getting lost, or if somebody finds this, stealing those photos or anything that you might have stored on the iDiskk. So anyways, just kind of a quick look at what this disk can do, what it can't do. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. As always, please subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.